Okay guys, today we are going to assess the damage on the front of the truck after hitting a deer, so stay tuned. So as you can see, the headlight bezel is kind of bent in here a little bit. That's made of pot metal, and unfortunately those only bend one way. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to straighten that back out. We'll do what we can. The cowl here, or rock guard, stone guard, whatever you want to call it, is mangled up pretty good, and that's what we're going to try and tackle today. Get that off and see if we can straighten it out. There's 2 bolts here, and I think there's a half a dozen or so on each side to get those out. The park light on this side is also broken. I'm not sure what the extent is, but we'll find out once we get it going. So that's what we're going to focus on today. You'll see that this bracket here is bent where it came back and hit. So we'll try and get that straightened out as well. This piece here may or may not be bent. I can't really tell yet till we get it out of there. But over here, everything looks like it's in good shape. One of the things that I want to recommend to you guys is one of these radiator combs. And what it's meant to do is a couple of things. One is it's made to help get the bugs and debris that might be in your radiator, but it's also going to help you straighten out any bent fins. It's hard to do with just one hand. But you put a little bit of pressure in there and you keep pulling on it, and it will bring your radiator back to like new condition. And we've got a few spots where the accident, the grill might have gone back there and did a number. So we'll get it cleaned up. If you don't have one of these, I'm going to leave a link in the description for the one like I got here. Make sure you go check it out. Anyways, we're going to time lapse tearing this thing apart. So let's get to it. Well, after a bunch of beating and banging, I think we've got it straightened out. The twist is gone. This part here is a little bit wavy, but once we get the trim back on it, it might hide that. And we're going to see if we can get the trim straightened out a little bit too. But I think it looks pretty good. Okay, so we've got everything back together. The only thing we've got left to do is to fix the turn signal over here on this side. So what I've done is I've got some super glue holding it together, but we're going to double up with our Chinese plastic welder. You've probably seen these things advertised on Facebook, Instagram, wherever. I took the plunge. Let's see if we can make it work. Cut those little tips off and we'll be golden. And there we have it, guys. We've got the new grill installed. We've got the bumper fixed up. We've got the cowl all done up here. We still got to find a replacement lens for this because, well, that's still broken. The little fix I did not fix that. But we got her back here in one piece, and I'm happy with that for now anyways. I also want to give a huge shout out to Dave Ernest, Trucker Dave on Instagram, or Main Trucker, I guess it is on Instagram. Anyways, he did find me a 73, 74 Chevy grill. He's going to be sending it over, so if I do want to do that swap, it's an original grill, not a repop. So I thank you, Dave, as well as your daughter, Elaine, for finding that for me, because you guys knew exactly what I wanted, and we just got to find a way to get it over here. So that is something that I want to do. Thank you so much to everybody who reached out with caring words and you know, wanting to help out with the repairs on Dale the truck. It doesn't go unnoticed. I really appreciate it. And it's quite a community that we have here that we can rely on everybody, on each other, to help us out in a time of need. So folks, if you haven't done it yet, please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel, because we're on a goal of 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We're almost there. And I have yet to announce the big giveaway that we're going to be doing on this channel. So if you're not subscribed, please do so. If you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and do that as well. And as I end every video, stay focused on the windshield, not the rearview mirror. I love you guys. God bless. We'll do it again, hopefully real soon. I'll see you guys.